Hello everybody, how are you? Today I will talk with you about this application Plotagon story. And of course I will do a video in this Plotagon, in this application. And it's so easy to use it, but now I will tell you something. Always, when you go for the application, for this application for Plotagon, you always I will press create video, then it will come for me this. I will choose anyone from my characters. So if I don't want more, I can put no character. Okay, so I will set something like I want to set, hello everybody, I miss you so much, like this. Then I will put a reaction like proud, or there's down waving down, like said hello everybody, I miss you so much. Okay, so this was the hello everybody, I miss you so much. Okay, so this is good. So I want to change the screen, but I have a problem. Why they are not walking? Today I have something for you. They are walking. You will see, go down, 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 down the stage, then 1, 2, then the third one. You're gonna find a girl or a boy. If you want a boy there and a girl, they are taking one step, so you're gonna press it. Then bring the character, then put it. It will not move. I'll bring another one like this girl, and I will record like something like, hello Victoria, how are you doing? Like something like this. I'll put it like shy. Then I will bring the other one. Hi Reina, how are you? I miss you so much. Okay, so after that I will put a reaction. Then I will bring from the first, hello everybody, I miss you so much. Hello, it's not loud, so I will repeat it. Hello everybody, how are you? I miss you. Hello everybody, how are you? I miss you. Okay, so this was the record. Then I will bring down also from here. Look. Hello Victoria, how are you doing? So I decided to share this with you. I miss you so much. And this really need you to put a like and subscribe and share the video. Don't say no, I just want to know. I will never sit for anyone to be better than them. No, share this with your friends, please. Okay. And I will share with you something else in the other video, and catch you later. Bye.